Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 28th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX dropped by 242, 7.42%. We closed at 30.18. So look at how we extended ourselves. We opened above this big resistance right here. We opened above it and then we crashed down. So this helped many stocks and the stock market in general. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones right here. So Dow Jones, nice green candle. Look at this nice candle. We made a higher low, we made a higher high. Green candle, we closed above the high of yesterday. This is a nice bounce on support. Let's hope that we are going to continue at least towards this downward resistance. Our indicators still have not been able to adjust themselves because it's going to take them time because they are averaging multiple days, like 21 days and 14 days. It's going to take a while. So this is why one candle does not make a trend, but it's really nice to see this. It's really nice to see this big bounce here. S&P 500, exactly the same thing. We went down to support and launched higher than the past 2-3 days. Nasdaq, exactly the same thing. So let's see how far this bounce is going to take us. For Nasdaq, we have a very close downward resistance right here. S&P, we have one right here, and Dow Jones, as I mentioned, we have one right here. So at least we could be expecting a move towards these resistance, and then we are going to have to take a look at what is going to happen if we break that resistance or not. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.